Analysis. Hello, my name is Dr. Esther Trufan, and in this video, we will explore the quantitative literacy rubric focusing on the analysis dimension. This is the AAC&U rubric for quantitative literacy as adapted and adopted by faculty at UHD. Today's focus is the analysis dimension. By definition, analysis is the ability to make judgments and draw appropriate conclusions based on the analysis of observable facts while recognizing the limits of this analysis. Because this type of analysis is embedded in the quantitative literacy rubric, we expect the questions in this category to have some numerical element. The data types in the chemistry lab are the following. It goes from simple chemical formulae and data tables all the way to complex titration curves, spectra, graphs, reaction energy diagrams, and more. You can download a copy of this rubric from the AAC&U webpage. So how do we phrase questions that require students to demonstrate their ability in this category? Here are a few examples. Compare the % recovery values from your group. Comment on the accuracy and precision of the experiment. Describe and explain the method you used to identify the limiting reactant for your experiment. Use your calculated values to support your arguments. Both of these questions are very suitable and relevant when you are first teaching students how to interpret their data from a chemical synthesis. Another option, list every chemical species in the flask at the equivalence point of the reaction between the sodium hydroxide solution from the burette into a flask with the acetic acid solution. Indicate their relative amounts. Again, you see that all these analysis questions require some numerical underpinnings. Another question. Comment on the effectiveness of your caffeine extraction method and provide at least 2 reasons why your obtained amount of caffeine is different from the amount you expected based on the label on the container. Again, we need numerical data, both for our expected value and our collected value. And for biochemistry, this may be suitable. Describe how the properties of a protein affect the migration rate and use your observations from the SDS page experiment to demonstrate your point. For more examples of quantitative literacy questions integrated in chemistry experiment prompts, visit experimentium.org.